In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your history on Slack, including recent files, messages, and changes you've made, all in just a few clicks. This is super useful if you want to quickly jump back to something you worked on earlier, find a file you edited, or review recent activity without scrolling endlessly through channels. If you use Slack daily for work or team communication, this feature can save you a lot of time. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy and up-to-date software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your workspace. Once Slack is open, go to any channel or to your main workspace view. It doesn't matter which channel you're in because the history feature works across your entire Slack account. This is where you normally read messages, reply to teammates, and share files. Next, look at the top of the Slack window. You'll see the search bar right in the center or near the top, depending on your layout. Right next to this search bar, there's a small clock icon. This clock icon represents your history in Slack, including recent messages, files, and actions you've taken. Go ahead and click on that clock icon. As soon as you click the clock icon, Slack will open your history panel. Here, you can immediately see a list of your recent activity. This includes files you've opened, messages you've sent, channels you've visited, and other changes you've made recently. Slack organizes this in a clean and simple way, so you can quickly scan through your activity without any confusion. If you're looking for a specific file, message, or action, you can scroll through this list and click on any item. When you select something, Slack will take you directly to that message, file, or location in the channel where it originally appeared. This is extremely helpful if you remember working on something but don't remember which channel it was in. You can also use this history view to revisit changes you've made. For example, if you recently edited a message, opened a document, or interacted with a file, you can find it here and make further changes if needed. This makes it much easier to manage your workflow, especially if you're juggling multiple conversations and projects at the same time. One important thing to keep in mind is that this history view is personalized to you. Other members in your workspace won't see your activity history. It's just for your own reference, helping you stay organized and productive throughout the day. And that's really all there is to it. With just one click on the clock icon beside the search bar, you can instantly view your Slack history, access recent files, and jump back into past conversations without wasting time. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button so more people can find this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips, productivity hacks, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.